Guys, what's going on? It's Mark. How's everybody doing? Check this out. Hope you liked the beginning of the video because we got in trouble for you. The guy said he wanted to call the cops on us and we were doing burnouts, but we respect that, so whatever. It's all for you guys. This behind me is a 2011 Ford F-250 Lariat, 6.7 liter diesel turbo diesel 4x4. Stack pipe, full exhaust, tuned, all done up. We're going to show you a little bit about it. Check it out. First thing you notice right off the rip, it's got a Fabtech suspension lift kit system. You come over here. Fabtech suspension lift kit system with dual Fox shocks. Sitting on a set of, these are huge. These are 24 by 14 wheels, chrome wheels on a 37 1350 22-inch tire. Massive, massive tire. It's got an aftermarket bumper they put on for probably clearance issues. I can see why. These are Spyder headlights, I believe. A set of Spyder headlights. You can come over here and check this out on this side. Spyder headlights, Metal X grill, light bar, huge light bar in the front. It's got a aftermarket front bumper with the winch plate in it, but no winch. Now, if you look down low, check this out. You can get closer and check it out. Dual steering stabilizer shocks, dual steering stabilizer rough country shocks. It helps when you're driving. Awesome addition. If you got a big lifted truck and you're driving it, you got some big wheels that are throwing off balance issues and it's shaky. Awesome addition for $250, something like that. Easy to put on. Going around to the side of the truck, same thing on the other side. Obviously, we do it full. I did the full service on this truck. So oil change, brand new oil change, brand new fuel filters. That's the one under the engine bay and the one on the frame rail. There's two fuel filters in here, all done, all set up and ready to roll. On this side, you can tell the guy had, whoever had it, had fender flares on it. I don't know why, preference, whatever. Fender flare marking right there, you can see it. A little bit of road chips right here, dent right here. I'm just pointing out the bad stuff. On this side, same thing. Fender flares are right here, but who cares? The truck looks great. Huge stack pipe. It's a huge 4-inch turbo back MBRP stack pipe. Sounds phenomenal. This is the FX4 model Lariat right here. We put a brand new Ford logo on the rear. Check this out. This is all deteriorated. You notice you get sometimes they'll chip and the clear coat will wear off. I bought a brand new one directly from Ford. Slapped it on. It's good to go. It's got the fifth wheel in the bed right here. Spray and bed line, which is kind of old and dated, but whatever. Walking around on this side, same thing with the fender flares, and that's it. Interior is great. Driver's seat is great. It's got a little small rip here, small rip there. Not a rip, but a tear. It's got 106,000 miles on it, maintained miles. I bought this directly out of Texas, so there's no rust, as you can see from looking under the frame. And that's about it. Hope you guys like the video. If you guys have any questions, give us a call, 540-898-3025, or visit superiorwholesale.org. Peace out. Hope you guys like it.